Well, it looks gourmet, but it is easier than you might think. We're talking a golden griddled breakfast sandwich layered with fluffy scrambled eggs. We got ham in there, melted cheddar. Heidi VanValkenburg with Rhodes Bake N Serve here to show us just how easy it is to make. I mean, it's so fancy, but you're saying with ease and with this comfort food, I can even make this happen.
This is a culinary masterpiece with little effort.
I love it.
I mean, behind the scenes, I think we did a great job. I do want to say one thing. I already have gone rogue because I love to do this with French toast.
What a twist.
Right?
Yeah.
And I add a little bit of maple extract to my egg mixture with my cinnamon for my French toast. So we made this instead of just buttering the bread like the recipe says, and it's on our website, and that's great too for anyone that wants to do that.
I love how you switched it out though. French toast for the French toast lovers out there.
And if you have ones that do not want to eat it like this, I mean, this is the manly sandwich here. They can just have their French toast with their berries or whatever. They don't necessarily have to put it together as a sandwich.
Well, we're going to want to put it all together today.
So really, truly, I made my French toast, and the bread, the recipe's there. You can do it with the loaves of bread.
Okay.
Follow the directions. I like to make it a day or two ahead just so that it's easier to make.
Good, so you can prep beforehand.
Yes. And this loaf of bread, we probably did 8 slices. So they're extra thick. They're kind of your Texas toast size, okay?
Yeah, I love that.
If in the market, wherever you are, if you do not have the loaves of bread like this, do not even fret at all, because you can make the loaves of bread out of our dinner rolls. So you're just going to put those, you know, down in the pan, you spray it, put the rolls in there. I like to clip them up. That's how I got the look, because then it just looks rustic, and I like to do it that way. So this is a 1 pound, yeah, right? And make those ahead. So the loaves of bread, you can do it out of the dinner rolls or the loaves of bread, either way that you want to do it. Putting it together, and then you could just melt this. Mine's not going to be hot here.
Okay.
But layer it. We used a ham steak. Okay, I had some...
A little bit thicker.
It is a little bit thicker, and each sandwich is about half of a ham steak. So let me just say, some people are like, I don't want ham steak. I would rather have sausage, or I'd rather swap it out. The one thing you don't want to swap out is that cheddar cheese. I am a cheese snob. You should all know that here by now.
I'm with you.
So we don't want to use American cheese because we just don't. Okay. But I will let you use provolone or Swiss or whatever you want. Your scrambled eggs. You could do this with... I like to add curry to my scrambled eggs, but you do not have to. On the recipe is salt and pepper. You're just going to layer that. You can put this on when it's all hot. That cheese is going to melt, and it's just going to be so scrumptious and so easy. So if you go on our website, Rhodes Bake N Serve, we have a whole landing page of recipe ideas for Mother's Day, because you know that's Sunday, so it's coming out.
Gotta treat mom.
Right.
So a nice party breakfast, right?
Kids can put this together. It's really easy. Even, you know, your domestically challenged husband might be able to do this recipe. And then we brought our orange rolls. Those are really simple. Put out the night before, let them rise, and so good. You could do the warm and serve rolls. You could use the anytime cinnamon rolls. Any of these. Add your fresh fruit. Have French toast if you don't want to put it together.
So easy and accessible, and be able to swap out.
Right?
So, happy Mother's Day to moms out there. Happy Mother's Day to you, Heidi.
Yes.
This is a great treat.
Thanks.